Hey guys, Ken Perriman here again, and I wanted to show you something that we really love around the house, both my wife and I, and that's our Vitamix. It is the A3500. This guy is awesome. We use it every day. In fact, we use it obviously for everything that you can think of related to blending, and you could even make soups with this. This thing is really cool. But what we mainly use this thing for, and the most that we use it for, is for our breakfast smoothies, and it's a banana blueberry smoothie. And actually, you're in for a little treat, because I'm going to show you real quick how we make our banana blueberry smoothie. So we start off here with 2 tablespoons of goji berries. We got 1 tablespoon of maca powder, 2 tablespoons of flaxseed, 1 teaspoon of cocoa powder, 2.5 cups of milk, 1.5 cups of frozen blueberries, and then half a banana. And then we're going to take all this and we're going to go ahead and start to put this in our blender. Okay, we're going to start off with some blueberries. Got to get those in the bottom so the blade can mix them up. Get our banana in here. Then we're going to go ahead and toss in our magic secret ingredients, which is no longer secret. Let's get those all in there. Now comes our milk. Get that all in there. Every little drop. And that is basically it. We're going to go ahead and get this guy started off. And one thing I want to do before we get started is I want to show you something really, really nice. What's great about this whole blender system here is that they've got automatic pre-programmed buttons. And the ones that we use the most over here so far, and let me kind of block this out so you can see it, is over here on this far side is a smoothie. All I got to do is punch that button and get started. You can also make soups. And the other thing, the feature that we like is the self-cleaning. Okay, very simple controls here. You can turn up the dial speed if you want to, set it to a certain speed, hit play, and it'll start blending. But what we want to do is we want to actually use the pre-program button for a smoothie and press play. It's going to automatically start to move up to a speed and then continue up to a higher speed a little bit later on. It's preset. It's really cool. You don't do anything, just hit play and leave it go. And there you have it. You saw it run from the gamut of basically around 5 to the full speed of 10. Now, we're going to go ahead and get ourselves some smoothies. We'll just get one going here just so you can see it. Nice and thick. Actually, we're going to go ahead and do 2 of them here real quick. A little drippage there. And look at that, smooth and silky. I can never get this just right, equally portioned out, but there you go. And the piece de la resistance is a straw. Now, I'm going to tell you what. So, smoothie. Just like every morning. It's wonderful. It's delicious. It's got a hint of banana in there with a very, very blueberry kind of flavor to it. Really delicious. I swear you'll love it. The thing is, though, not that you'll love it, but the Vitamix. The Vitamix does such a great job. It's just a complete smoothie, and it's super delicious and blended well. So I hope this was helpful for you. I hope you like this. I appreciate your time, and I'm out.